In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Siteground hosting account. Whether you're switching providers or simply no longer need your hosting service, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as seamless as possible. Let's start by heading over to the Siteground website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in siteground.com or access the link via your bookmarks if you have it saved. Once the page loads up, you'll see the homepage prominently displaying its tagline, Web Hosting Perfected. On the upper right corner of the homepage, you'll find the login button. Give that a click. Now you'll be redirected to the login page. Enter your credentials, your email and password associated with your Siteground account, and hit enter. If you've forgotten your password, they have an easy recovery option for you to reset it. Just follow the prompts and you'll be back in your account in no time. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look for the My Siteground account section. It's usually straightforward to find, typically on the top menu or as part of your account overview. Click on it to proceed to your account settings. When you're there, navigate to the Services tab. It's where all your active services with Siteground are listed. Within this section, you'll see a variety of options for managing your services, but what we're interested in today is cancelling the hosting account. Next, you need to find the Settings option. Click on it and it will expand more specific actions you can take regarding your hosting account. You're now in the zone where you'll begin the actual cancellation process. You'll notice a three-dot icon on the page. This is your key to accessing more advanced actions. By clicking on it, you'll be presented with further choices, among which you'll spot the Cancel option. Click this to initiate the cancellation process. The next screen will likely present you with some options. Siteground may want to highlight some features or services you might miss if you leave. It's a standard part of the process and ensures you're certain about your decision. If you're sure that you want to go ahead, proceed by confirming the cancellation. As a note, it's always a good idea to ensure you have any necessary backups of your website data or emails before cancelling your account, as access to these may be restricted post-cancellation. Once you've confirmed, you might need to revisit the three-dot menu again. Siteground uses this as an additional confirmation step to make sure cancellations aren't accidental. So go back and select Cancel again to finalize everything. And there you have it, you've successfully cancelled your Siteground hosting account. Make sure to check for any confirmation emails from Siteground, verifying that your account has been cancelled. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process straightforward for you. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to Siteground's customer support.